Words that start with the letter V, W, X, Y, and Z. V. Vase. A vase is a container that can hold things like flowers. Vest. A vest has no sleeves and is worn under another shirt. Veterinarian. A veterinarian is a doctor who helps animals. W. Wagon. A wagon is a four-wheeled vehicle that can be pulled. Wall. A wall is a part of a building that separates rooms. Watch. A watch tells time and can be worn on the wrist. Wave. You can use your hand to wave hello. Wheel. A wheel is round and helps cars or bicycles move. Wheelchair. A wheelchair is a chair with wheels that helps people get around. Whisper. To whisper, you speak very quietly. Whistle. A whistle makes a clear, sharp sound when air is pushed through. Window. A window is an opening in a building that can be looked through. Wings. Wings help birds or insects fly. Worm. A worm is an animal with a soft body that crawls on the ground. Write. When you write, you form letters and words. X. X-ray. An X-ray is a way to photograph the insides of something. Xylophone. Words that start with the letter V, W, X, Y, and Z. Xylophone. A xylophone is an instrument with bars that make sounds when they are hit. Y. Yak. A yak is a large animal with long hair that is like a buffalo. Yawn. If you're tired and yawn, you open your mouth wide and take a deep breath. Yell. A yell is a loud shout or cheer. Yoga. Yoga is an exercise that can help you be strong and flexible. Yolk. The yolk is the inside part of an egg. Yo-yo. A yo-yo is a toy that can move up and down on a string. Z. Zebra. A zebra is an animal like a horse with black and white stripes. 0. 0 is a number with no size or amount. Zigzag. To zigzag, you move forward in a back and forth pattern. Zinc. Zinc is a mineral your body needs to stay healthy. Zoo. A zoo is a place where wild animals can be visited. Zoom. When you zoom, you move very quickly.